Hello students, today we are going to see a new topic, that is tenses. Okay, so first we will see which type, then its formula and also the example. So everywhere I have used the same example so that it can be easily understood. Okay, so tenses is very important to construct a sentence. Okay, so these are the importance of tenses, and these are the 12. There are 12 types of tenses. You can see 12 types. Okay, so one by one I am going to explain. So first one is simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense formula is subject plus v1 plus object. So example, subject here is Neeta. Okay, v1 form of v1 form, verb 1 form, that is writes. Object is a letter. Okay, Neeta writes a letter. Same way, next formula is present continuous tense. The formula is subject plus is, am, are plus v1 ing plus object. So whenever it is continuous, we use the ing form because it's in continuous. Okay, continuously the work is happening. Then the formula is subject. Okay, so subject means about whom we are talking. Okay, that's the subject. So subject plus is, am, are plus v1 ing plus object. So I am using the same example so that it can be easily understood. So same example, subject here is Neeta. Is, because Neeta, as Neeta is singular form, we have used is. Okay, am we will use for I. If I am writing I will use am, and are we will use for plural things. Okay, more than one. So Neeta is singular, that's why we are using is. Writing, ing form, v1 ing form of write is writing a letter. Okay, the next is present perfect. The meaning of perfect, as the meaning of continuous is continuously going on, perfect means it's fixed. Okay, it's fixed. Okay, so present perfect tense, subject plus has, have plus v3 plus object. Okay, example is Neeta. As Neeta is singular, so we have used has. v3 form of write is return. Okay, return, and object is again a letter. So Neeta has written a letter. Okay, now let's move on to fourth formula, that is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so here it is perfect also, and also we have used continuous. So formula is subject plus has or have plus been plus v1 ing plus object. That is, example is Neeta. Okay, has, singular form, that's why has. Have we will use for I, or is plural form. Okay, Neeta has been, been, been writing. Okay, writes, ing form is writing a letter. Okay, then okay, same way as the present tense formulas are there, past tense formulas are simple past tense. Here we are using present v1 form. Same way in past, subject plus v2 plus object. Okay, example is Neeta, v2 form of write is wrote, object a letter. Okay, then past continuous, as we know continuous means ing form, past continuous tense. So subject plus was or were plus v1 ing plus object. Example is Neeta, singular, so was v1 ing form writing a letter. As in present we have used is, am, are. Okay, same way in past we are using was and were because we are talking about the past. Then Neeta was writing a letter. Okay, so next one you can see past perfect tense. Okay, so formula for past perfect is, perfect means something which is fixed. Okay, subject plus had plus v3 plus object. So as it is past, we are using had. Okay, so example is Neeta had return, V3 form of right, return a letter. Same way, past perfect continuous tense, subject plus had plus been. Here perfect also we are using and also continuous. Okay, had plus been plus V1 ing plus object. So example is, subject is Neeta had been writing a letter. Okay, so these 8 tenses we have seen for present and past. Now let's move on to future tense. So ninth formula is simple future tense. The formula is subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. Okay, so example is Neeta will. So we are talking about the future, that's why we are using will. Okay, and when we will use shall, when something is not sure. Okay, if something is not sure, we are using always shall. Okay, so here we are using Neeta will, V1 form, write a letter. Then future continuous tense, subject plus will shall plus be. Okay, we are adding be plus V1 ing plus object. So example is Neeta will be, V1 ing, as it is continuous, writing a letter. So Neeta is the subject, will be writing a letter. Then future perfect tense. Perfect means I already told, which is fixed. Okay, so subject plus will shall plus have plus V3 plus object. So example is Neeta will have, V3 form of right is written a letter. Okay, then is future perfect continuous tense. So the formula is subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus V1 ing plus object. So Neeta will have been, means both perfect and continuous, writing a letter. Okay, so these are the 12 formulas. Okay, 12 types with the formulas and example, and it is very necessary to learn with example so that you can yourself construct your own sentences by using these formulas. Thank you.